Okay, hey guys. Um, I get asked the same question so often that I've decided that it's a good idea for me to just do a YouTube series which has got basically loads and loads of different answers to questions about Thailand and traveling in general. And this is just going to be like an overview, just so to get people started, so you can see like what to think about and what to expect from a trip. So basically, starting off, I don't want to make this a long video because no one wants to sit listening to people being boring for an hour. So just as a general overview, what you're really thinking about to begin with is what kind of trip you actually want. Are you wanting to explore a city, or do you want to go and just lay on the beach and do absolutely nothing? Or a combination of the two, or some exploring, going into the jungles, island hopping. There's a million different variations of things that you can do in Thailand, and it's impossible to squeeze it all in one trip. You kind of have to be committed, to be fair. Maybe do 2 or 3 trips to be able to do each and everything and decide which you enjoyed the most. So I'm going to try and help with the first video after this one. I'm going to try and help people to decide what they want, or if they want to just have a little step into each single piece, a little bit of exploring, go to see some elephants, lay on the beach for a few days, travel around in the city, trying to get through as much of that as I can. And it will include things like weather, money, expense, hotels, stuff like that. Each series is going to have a kind of a main subject. One will be food, obviously, probably the most important to my followers. But I'm also going to go through like all the scams that can happen. I get asked about this a lot. And it's really random that I keep seeing people doing videos about scams in Thailand, and they all just do the same one. And you can tell that they've never really lived there, they don't know Thailand that well, and that they've just been scammed by a tuk-tuk driver and decided that they were going to look it up online and just chose like the 3 scams that are the most popular, that have been around for 20 years. But there are new ones, and so I will go through those as well, ones which you really have to spend a bit of time there, and just to recognize when a scam is about to begin, because otherwise you just get caught in the headlights and you're going to get you're going to lose money somewhere along the line. So I'll go through those, just typical areas to go to for certain things that you might enjoy, how to pack a suitcase. I'm going to go through that as well. Randomly, I was thinking this one through already, and for me the best system is to pack light as possible, and I found that the longer you plan to travel, the lighter you should pack. And I've kind of based my travels on this forever, and I actually base my whole life on this now. Like, I'm literally the most least materialistic person that you'll ever meet. I just don't care about having things, as long as I can get a bag on my shoulder and there's enough in there to last me until I need to do something else. I'm fine with that. So yeah, that will be another subject. There's going to be a few different things, and hopefully they're going to be helpful. You could always ask questions in comments. And yeah, like I will do Thailand first, and then I'll go through Vietnam, I'll go through Malaysia, and all the different places. But basically what I'll try to do is just do blocks of different things in different parts, so you can just follow it weekly or every couple of days, or however quickly I can get them done and posted. So if you want to, you can like this, you can subscribe, and yeah, I won't bombard people with spam. I'm not that person that wants to like do millions of videos that are zero content just for the sake of algorithms. I'll just post stuff when it needs to be done. So yeah, like, subscribe, follow. The same name account is also on Instagram if you want to have a check and just see like how much experience I actually have on this. I'm not just like some random dude who's like never been to Thailand and just suddenly decided to make videos. So yeah, check it out, and yeah, hopefully we can kind of tailor everybody's experience to be way better, and not just kind of a flashy influencer. Oh look, we went to the temple, oh we did this, these are the 10 things you must do. You know, this is more of a personal thing that I'm trying to just do particularly for people, so that you can have a really, really good time, you know, without resorting to just kind of Instagram nonsense. So yeah, click like, click subscribe. Here I am. Let's see how it works out.